Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to purchase Zoho Mail quickly and easily. First, log into your Zoho Mail account. If you're new, sign up first. It's free and simple. Next, once you're logged in, you'll see a 15-day free trial for the Mail Premium plan. It's a great way to test the features before buying. After that, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Upgrade Now. Now click by Add-on to choose the premium features you want. Take a moment to review the options and pick what suits your needs. To complete your purchase, choose between a monthly or yearly plan. Annual plans usually offer better value. Then click Proceed and enter your billing details. Make sure everything's accurate to avoid any issues. Select your payment method. Zoho supports credit, debit, and other options. Once that's done, click Proceed again to finalize. And that's it. You've successfully purchased Zoho Mail and unlocked its premium features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.